Jada Kingdom just found out that her manager been stealing from her for years.
Because as I tell you, I don't want to come off as a sad puppy or the attention seeker or whatever. But I be a thief, people are thief, my song them, my style. Listen, the moment of shit. If I never know what I'm going behind the scenes, I'm not surprised. But when I got chatting, it just surprised me say somebody was supposed to be in my corner, a thief from a certain way. Them see my situation and see how things are go. Them see how I'm depressed already over my fucking career. Things not never that I go home wanted to fucking go. And this is and they're the reason why I not go home wanted to go. Because I feel them bad business, for them fucked up behavior, and feel them thieving ways, them greedy self. And they very fuck up and sad. Very fucking fuck up. Sleepless nights at studio, walk like fucking hard. Never even fucking dead. They're never around. But when a time for money come in, them want to scrape and thief.
Number one, trending topic. Attention to detail, everything microscopic. New post truck, man a pushing at the traffic.
Welcome back to the Dancehall IG channel. Hope everyone is doing well today. Now, people, let's get down to business. As I say, let's get down to the meat and gravy of this matter with Jada and her manager. When I say manager, I don't want nobody confused and I say her current boyfriend, Versimans, is not him. She talked about our previous management team for the last 4 years at least. You know what I mean? Give or take 3+ years, right? Since she bossed with Love Situations. So now she just find out. I don't think she find out today or yesterday, but in recent times she found out that her management team have been skimming off the top, or they've been, you know what I mean, taking all our revenues and a gear what they want for gear instead of the other way around, where she should, and you know what I mean, get the larger amount and then them get paid from what she make. She has say I know saw it a work out, and she just found out. So we know that she announced earlier this year, so she now go release the music, but we never know what. But now people find out say this. So may I have the clips them for sure now, and we are gonna take a listen to what she has said, cause she has speak directly to the person.
You know what it feel like to see all these views and comments and fans going crazy. I'm talking about 2 years ago, almost a year ago. Fans going crazy and everything, and you're hungry. Your mother still catch up in that borders. You don't wanna carry it. Nothing not go your fucking way. Just because somebody a thief from you, bro. Do you know how fucking fucked up that is? All of your hard work. You know how fucked up that is? Wanna get to me and say? Last year, you watch me, as my manager, you watch me get evicted and go ask me, oh, it go while you thief from me and all of them something there. And then I pretend. And then majority of the time I go use my mental health against me. Oh, you're just depressed. Oh, you're bipolar and you need to go see somebody rare. Why the fuck you not use my money where I take from me, go pay for me, go see a therapist?
Now people may have the rest of the Jada video for sure now, but right now may have a song named Fiona from Shelly Platinum, and may I go explain who she is.
You think I was running? Shotgun, out for them. What I'm saying, I'm Miss Platinum. What? Big 3248. Run. Me see them coming all over social media and send me hatred. My life them want get rid of. See the eagle and the bear and them queen and them leader. But as my shepherd, I shall not want me see Fiona and her friend them a join be a gang. My life them after, but them can't destroy me.
So people, if you remember not so long ago, Chanel Muir had an encounter with a Shelly. Now that Shelly is this Shelly Platinum. So Shelly see the video that I made about her and Chanel Muir and she linked me and this our defense song. You see what me I say? It's basically a diss to Chanel Muir and the people them we are chat.
King mix up, we give me the big platform. Fi tell fi me story, we really did go on. You have some players, you have some haters, cause me come in on the street, me no need nobody hype. Come me have me own hype and create me own vibes. Stay in.
So people, since she linked me and tell me what go on, and she said she never did even really mean no disrespecting at the first, cause she was a fan of Shelly Muir said way. They saw me and said, but she feel a way right now, so she do the song. And I'm gonna put the link to the song so you can hear the song in full. Alright? But people, let's get back to the Jada Kingdom story. Now, Jada have some more to say about her manager, so I'm just gonna play the rest of the video so you can hear what go on. So here goes.
Why people around you say I go through so much stress and say I put in so much work, but them still decide for thief from you. Like I give a little or nothing, or I scrape everything and make it look as if things now work out right, and YouTube and this and that platform not paying as much no more. That still don't amount to little or nothing. It's still a fucking thief. That's not even, that shouldn't even be in the thing. That shouldn't even be, like, why is that even a thing? Like, yeah, come here, say.
So people, just in case you don't understand what she has said, she said she was told that artists don't have no access to them Vivo and them Spotify and all that. So she couldn't see the streams of income, right? She couldn't see her revenues by herself. That did have to cut through like different people. And she has said her management team is signing her up with other distributor where I just bare hands it go through people. And she has said, you know, all of this she wasn't even aware of, and she was just always told that she can't get access to it. Now she has said she get a brand new YouTube from them. Like the YouTube was she supposedly have 5 years then gear, and it said just created 2020. So she said them a grow on her, but she have a liar. And on top of that though, people, she says she have a whole heap of new music for release. So I'm gonna make sure talk in the next part again.
Like I remember 2 years ago, I ask and I say, like, I'm me alone upon the road. Like, I'm me alone upon the road. Like, me now have no team, like, what really I go on, Ray, and one bag of something. Everything was a set up this whole fucking entire fucking time. This person would only use people with him know for, you know, from do certain things to me. Tell me say, artists can't have access to them YouTube and artists can't have access to them iTunes or them Spotify. That don't happen. Treat me like some of them. I'm a fucking independent fucking artist. I'm not signed at all. This person fucking owns every fucking thing, my masters and everything, stealing, while still I deduct them percent. Matter of fact, they're paying me instead of me paying them. From one time to love situations, all of that, see literally like little to nothing. I really only make money off of fucking shows. Everything is just a fucking scam. Everything is really just been a fucking scam. The YouTube that they gave me the other day, it said I joined YouTube in 2020. How the fuck I joined YouTube 2020 when my first song was released in 2017? It just didn't make sense. And every time women have access to YouTube, or artists don't have access to their Vivo, or they don't have access to this and that. I'm an independent fucking artist. Why don't I have access to everything? And why fucking sign me up for some distribution shit that I didn't even fucking know about? Them I collect fucking half of me. It's just been a lot of fucking fuckery. Honestly, me I talk about. And honestly, I've been chilling. and Ray. But the reason why I wanna have questions like, oh, why Jada career up, I pick up so slow? Why Jada career going in fucking circles? Like, why this and why that? It's because of that fucked up fucking person.
People, the only thing I'm glad about is that she found out and now it's getting resolved. She says she have over 50 songs, at least 10 of them she know a solid hit, but she not make no sense she drop them right now because she not gonna get the revenue from them because it's kind of like them still attached to the old management. So once she get all of that clear up, you know what I mean, she said hopefully by summer she can drop some song. And another thing that she said, people, she has sent out advice to the younger artists, and when she say younger, she said these was her words, not in age, but if you just come in a music, you know what I mean, try to find out how the thing go, because said Jada Boss when she around 17, so me not go hold this against her. And then again she say her family, she said the people them where she there work with supposed to be trustworthy people, our friends and people who want to see her win, and it turned out seeing us. So people, thank you for watching. Big up on yourselves, stay safe.
We got that one in my AP. Dancehall IG, Atina. Excuse me, Dancehall IG, Rich. Punk, should know. Tento Blacks, Yadi.